leaves, these little teeny white flowers, but this part looks like a bottle brush. So when you see that, that's what that is, and you'll see that all along the side. But I couldn't get any good, good space for you to taste it. This one is really good for like bronchitis and like any conditions, like you have a dry cough, you have a dry cough you can't get rid of. This is your friend. This is an excellent tea, very common in like Caribbean cuisine. It's also used as a horseradish substitute. So everybody's about to start making their fire cider. Like switch it up a little bit, try something different, see what you got.
Pepper?
Yeah, pepperweed, Virginia pepperweed or Lepidium virginicum.